This is drawing we are going to do. In this it's a square sprocket which is having 12 grooves of radius 5 and inside 1 mm cutout in 30 mm diameter, and outside 2 mm protrusion having 20 and 25 as outer dia, and the total diameter of the sprocket is 50. It's very simple drawing. Using SolidWorks you can easily do, and for my convenience I am selecting top plane. You can select any plane. Using circle I am making a 50 mm diameter circle with 4 mm protrusion, finishing it using cutout on the circle. I am using another circle as cutout of 5 mm diameter and returning it, finishing it. Again going to pattern. First I am selecting the feature and finishing it. This is the plane of reference, and the count is 12, and is asking the center to which direction. I am returning it and finishing it. So the desired shape I have attained. This is the desired shape. Now again I am going to this protrusion of this plane. In this plane circle of 2 dimensions are 25 and 20. So from the center I am selecting 25, and again I am selecting 20, returning, the thickness is 2 mm, finishing it, and on this side there is a circle of 30 mm, using cutout. This side there is a circle having cutout 30 mm and depth is 1 mm, finishing it. After that again going to cut out, and this face I am cutting out and a circle. This is from center to this, returning it. It's finished. This is Sprocket. And in the first video I have already said how to save this. You can use that, and the Sprocket is done. Here one difference is that the dimension I have mentioned is not correct. Here this cutout should be